Hi everyone, for the final bottom layer, we'll start with getting a yellow cross on the bottom face. Use the same algorithm we used for the middle layer to move the yellow middle piece up to the middle layer. Left down, bottom left, left up, bottom left, bottom right, front right. Move the green and red piece back to the right side and repeat the algorithm to bring the yellow piece to the bottom face. For the final yellow piece of the cross, move it to the right, repeat the algorithm. Left down, bottom left up, bottom left, bottom right, front right. Move the green and red piece to the right once more and repeat the pattern. Left down, bottom left up, bottom left, bottom right, front right. Now we can see the yellow cross is complete. Next, we'll match the center edge pieces to the corresponding faces. Rotate the bottom layer to see if any middle edge pieces already match. Looks like red and green are completed just by rotating the bottom layer. To swap the orange and blue pieces, hold one of the incorrect sides on the left and have the other facing you. Start this algorithm. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up, bottom left. Once all the center pieces are completed, we'll move on to the corner pieces. We want to move each corner piece to match the corresponding faces. Not to worry about orientation yet. If you see a corner that has the correct colors like this green, red, and yellow corner, it helps to start by keeping it located in the front right corner. Then start this pattern. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, left down, bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up, left up. Now the four corner pieces are located in their correct spots. If your corners are not located in the correct spot, repeat until they are correct. Remember, orientation does not yet need to be correct. Now we will position the yellow corners. If one side is correctly oriented, keep it on the right side. Follow this algorithm to position the yellow corners. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up. Left down, bottom right, left up, bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up. Repeat until the yellow corners are correctly oriented. Congratulations on solving the Rubik's Cube.